Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the account and permissions so Find My works reliably. Sign into your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication. This secures device tracking. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Switch on Find My iPhone and Share My Location. This connects devices to iCloud. Make sure location services are enabled in privacy settings and that Find My is allowed while using. These immediate steps let you locate devices and share position data with people you trust. Next, you add devices and set sharing rules so tracking and alerts work smoothly. Open the Find My app and review devices. Confirm each device appears. If not, sign into iCloud on that device. Once visible, go to People to share your location. Tap Share My Location, pick a contact, and choose duration. This gives others access when needed. Use device actions like play sound, get directions, or notify when found to locate items. Make sure notifications are enabled so you receive alerts in real time. Finally, you complete incident responses and know one key troubleshooting step. If lost, choose Mark as Lost to remotely lock the device and show your contact info. This also preserves location tracking. If data is compromised, erase device remotely, but understand erasing removes the device from your Find My account. To recover an offline device, use Notify when found so you get an update when it reconnects. If things go wrong, first verify iCloud sign-in, network access, and correct time/date. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.